Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Home Decoration Ideas. Very beautiful design, Mary summaries and designing, and Christmas Mary designing in your favorite wall decor and wall decoration ideas. Latest designing United States country style and Arab country style. This video is for you guys. This is amazing Merry Christmas days and Merry Christmas decoration design. It is very nice looking and very beautiful decor ideas. Latest designing Arab country style and United States country style here and there. So this again very beautiful red and black designing in your favorite living room and wall decor design. That is great, nice looking, very beautiful designing. If you can enjoy this video and please like and subscribe this channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. I show you a picture of daily basis home interior and living room and Merry Christmas days and Merry Christmas celebration design in your favorite home and favorite designing. Very beautiful decor, wall decoration and wall decor design. I hope you liked this video. I am real excited to share this video your friends and your families, and please share this video WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups and always comment it my videos, and please like and subscribe this channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.